Did you know that there are now sections of the grocery store that sell keto products? They say the word keto on the packaging, and these sections in the grocery store are getting larger because, of course, money. It sells. People are learning that eating more ketogenically, remember keto is not a diet, it's a metabolic state, is healthier. So they're jumping on the keto bandwagon, and they're selling bars and drinks and products that have the word keto. And I encourage you in this video to just walk on by, just like you walk by the cereal aisle, walk by the Pop-Tarts, walk by all the cakes and cookies, walk by the keto section. Don't even look at it. You pick up a box of keto something and it says it only has 4 net grams of carbs. They're not talking total carbohydrates, because if you look at all of the fibers that they threw into this supposed keto product, then they do their little magical calculation of fiber and carbohydrates, and they say, oh, it only has 4 net carbs, when in actuality, it really has 25 grams of carbohydrates. Do not count net carbs, ladies and gentlemen. And actually, the easiest way to eat is to not have a paragraph to look at. When you pick up a package of ground beef, what are the ingredients? Beef. Period. Will it say net carbs and total carbs? It has none of that, because it's just beef. It has 0 carbs. It has a lot of protein, fat, and water. And if you want to break all the nutrition down in beef, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals and fatty acids and types of amino acids that make up the complete protein. But when you buy a keto product, you are buying a paragraph of Franken food with a big old slapped label on it that says keto. Stay away from keto products is my recommendation, and stay closer to the edges of the grocery store that sell the animal products. You can have eggs, you can have cheese, you can even have heavy whipping cream if you want to. Where does that come from? It comes from the dairy of the cow. Does it have sugars in it? Yes, it has some dairy sugars in it, but it's from an animal. Your body knows how to break that down better than all the powdery, gluten-y, all the fibers that they add in keto products. So stay clean, my friends. Eat cleanly as possible, and your body will run that way. You're like running on high test fuel, and your body will sense that, oh my gosh, this fuel is the best fuel I've ever had, and your heart's going to work better, and your liver and your kidneys and your lung and your brain, all the organs and everything in your body functions so optimally because you're giving it high test fuel that was meant for the human body, and you're not putting it in any of this refined crap, any of the garbage that your liver and your kidneys, they got to break all the toxins down and break everything down and find out where the nutrition is and absorb only that. And it's not good to have all that crap. Eat cleanly. Have a wonderful day, ladies and gentlemen, and feel well by eating that way.